Okay, I almost missed this completely because the first time I saw the Temu free gift offer, I thought I'll come back to it later. Big mistake. When I opened the app again later, the better rewards were basically gone. Smaller coupons, weaker offers, almost no free gift progress. And honestly, the whole thing suddenly felt way less exciting. That's when I realized Temu pushes the best rewards early, especially when the promotion is first activated. And if you wait too long or use random codes first, you can lose access to the stronger offers fast. So I tested it again from the beginning. But this time I did one thing differently. The second I entered the promotion, I activated the code on screen immediately before browsing anything, and the app instantly changed. Suddenly, I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, bonus reward offers, stacked discounts, and the free gift section refreshed with way better rewards than before. That's when I realized the code itself actually matters way more than people think, because before using this code, the app felt normal. After activating it, it felt like the reward system fully opened up. And honestly, this was the first code I tested that actually made me feel pressure to use the rewards quickly, because the offers looked time sensitive. The better coupon bundles started rotating, and some rewards literally disappeared after a while. That's why waiting is such a mistake. Most people browse around too long, test random working codes, and by the time they activate anything useful, the stronger deals are already gone. Now, whenever I use Temu, I always do the same thing first. Enter through the promotion, activate the code on screen immediately, then start browsing, because that's what consistently gave me better discounts, stronger reward offers, and faster free gift progress before the good deals disappeared. Now let's keep this real. Does every user get the exact same offers? No. Can rewards still vary? Definitely. But if you want the best chance at catching the stronger free gift rewards before they rotate out, activating the right code early makes a massive difference. Try the code on screen before browsing and tell me, did the app instantly start showing stronger rewards before they disappeared too?